Hello, today we're going to show you how to install the HB Industries receiver side QD mount onto your FNP or PS90. Our receiver side mount is designed to mount square and flush against the upper receiver of the PS90. It puts a QD socket in the forward position, or biases towards the forward position on the upper receiver. It can be mounted on either the left or the right side, depending if you're left or right-handed, or where your sling preference is. It's incredibly easy to install. It's just going to use 2 screws, and the only tool you're going to need will be supplied in the package with the mount. So let's go ahead and get started on the installation. The first thing we're going to do, as always, is just check to make sure the weapon's clear. So check the bolt, check the breech, no magazine. I'm right-handed, so it's going to be my preference to put the QD mount on this left side. So I'll run my sling from on the front, it'll be on the left, and on the rear, I'm going to have it on the right side of my stock. So let's see what's in the package here. We're going to end up with the QD mount itself and some hardware. Hardware is just going to be one 3mm hex key driver and the 2 screws that we'll need to mount the mount. So we're going to, again, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the right side. There are going to be features machined into the back of our mount that compensate for casting lines or manufacturing features inside the upper receiver. It will sit flush against either, again, the left or the right side of the receiver once we install it. So go ahead and position the mount, and we're going to drop our 2 screws in. My preference on this type of thing is a little bit of blue Loctite. It's not mandatory, but if you have it, go ahead and use it. Get the thread locker, the blue thread locker on both screws. We'll go ahead and drop them in to our holes and tighten down the 2 screws. I like to use the torque wrench. You don't need to. You can just go tight with it, but my preference is always going to be to use the torque wrench. On this particular installation, we're going to shoot for 10 inch-pounds or 1.2 Newton meters. I'll go ahead and do that now. Again, we're going for 1.2 Newton meters or 10 inch-pounds on your torque spec. And now with the mount installed, verify that it's flush all the way around and tight to the receiver. Then you can go ahead and grab the QD mount of your choice, verify fitment, get the other end strapped down and secured to your P or PS90, and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions or need any other additional information, please go ahead and reach out to us. We're always available, phone, email, try to be on social media. Go ahead and give us a call if you have any questions, and we appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.